You have been searching a job for quite long time and there is no response. एक अलग तरीके का गिल्ट आपके दिमाग में है and you must be thinking लोगों को जॉब मिल रहा है but why I'm not like them, why I'm not finding the opportunity. So don't worry guys, this is not happening with you. I was also in this state when I was searching a job almost quite few months I was doing that. But I found certain strategies. I found the ways. So I'm going to share few ways how you can overcome from that guilt and how to convert that into the motivation and the supercharge your career path. So stay with me because in this next 15 minutes video, I'm going to share 10 powerful strategies not only to transform those guilt feeling but bring you back again in the game to find the right opportunity and to get you have success. So let's start it. So every person some other way at any stage, whether it is a male or female, we experience setback in our life. Some people they have been working for longer years in the same position but they are not getting promotion. Somehow housewives, like a supercharged moms, they wanted to re-enter their career, they wanted to start their career but they are not finding the way. So I know a setback happens, but in this video we are going to explore how to convert that guilt what you are having, why I'm not finding the job opportunity, to convert and the reframe that guilt, whatever the hidden power you are having, how to empower more that, because what is the meaning if you're hiding that has to be come out, and then we will use the drive meaning actions, and the some strategies can restart your journey and which will not hold you back again, that will not bring you back in the same stage. So stay with me. Whether you're hunting a job for the 1 month, 2 months, or 10 months, or 10 years, that's absolutely fine. But staying motivated, it's very important. And the tips what I'm going to share, it's not only give you the clarity to find the clarity, take the charge, but same time ignite your passion to grow also. So let's start. So the first point is a reframe your guilt as a self-awareness. Now you are already aware you feel guilty because you are comparing yourself with others, which is not required, because everyone having a different journey and you don't know the other person what challenges that person has gone through. So challenges whatever you are having, the guilt what you are having, try to understand. Now since you know that guilt is bothering you, try to work on that, address that. It shows you care about yourself, that's the reason you have guilt. So but having a guilt is not the going to help you, that will take you to different kind of problems. So start addressing and start giving the self aware what is going wrong. So it's remind, you have to remind always the starting point, what was the starting point when you started and when you reach at particular end, whichever incidents are there, you must have gone some kind of a success you must have received. So remember those success stories, that will remind you this is not the always a starting point, because end point is always something different. So remember that, and the self aware is important. Now second important point is identify the root cause. Now, if your application is rejected, you have to find out why it is rejected, whether it is your skill sets are not matching, your CV is not right, okay, format is not good, or you are attended interview and you are getting rejection. So your delivering of the answers are not right, or you are lacking with certain skills, whether it can be the communication skill or technology, anything can be there. So guilt is not only about the a looking when you are at the work or you're searching a job. Guilt can be something about your personal related also, how will I take care of my kids, how will I take care of my family, So that guilt what you are having, you have to identify the root cause. If it is your family, you can always talk to them. If it is a something related to job related, you have to work on those skill set. You have to identify. That way you can identify the root cause, and it is very important. Unless and until you don't know why it is happening, why that guilt is coming, it will, nobody can help you to overcome from that guilt, whether you are aware or also. But self awareness what I talk about, okay, but self awareness when it is possible, when you know the root cause. So the next point is like a set the micro goal. As I always mention, like your bigger goal has to be there, but that has to be divided into the small. Like for example, being as a mother, I know like tomorrow what I need to cook. So those ingredient has to be in the fridge. So similar way, if you are planning to restart your career, understand like what is required. Don't directly jump and start applying with the your old resume to on the portals. Update your resume, that is the first task. Then what are the your skill sets are brush up or not, think on that. So do micro goals rather than going for the directly you are expecting I will get the job immediately if I enter into the market. No, it won't happen like this. So work on your micro goals, divide into these small small goals, and you will understand and you will feel happy also when you are achieving those small goals. Because when you see the big mountains you want to climb, you feel pressure, okay, Everest mountain. But when you think that I just want to go for the 1,000 step, 2,000 step, 3,000 step, I'll see later where I'm reaching, you feel motivated inside. So win, small win is very important when you are achieving the big goals. Fourth point is like a learn. Many times people demotivated when they get the rejection. See, rejection is something, it's you should not consider like a this is an end. People consider okay मेरे से नहीं होगा, I will not go for an interview because people have rejected. But try to understand through that rejection what message you are getting, what feedback you are picking up. It is about, and you can do your self introspection also, because हमें खुद को पता होता है when we sit for the interview, when we update resume, what is missing. If you're copy pasting somebody's resume, that means you're not putting your soul in that resume, you're not presenting what personality you have. So when I talk to candidates, I always mention आप जैसे हो उसी तरीके की पर्सनालिटी आपके resume भी झलक के आनी चाहिए. So that is very important. So copy paste if you are doing, don't do that. आपका essence उसमें होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. When you sit for the interview, आपके style में interview, आपका खुद का essence when you speak वो भी आना चाहिए. So learn that, take the feedback, okay, introspection do it. उससे आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको improvisation कहाँ करना है, and more you improvise, you are very closer to your goal, close to your like your dream job. The next point is like a shift your comparison from the inspiration. I've seen like even I sometimes do it, like I watch videos and I start comparing myself, then later on I remind myself why I have to comparison, why I have to compare myself with, because I have my own individual personality, I have my own personal brand. So if the moment you feel like you are doing comparison yourself with others, immediately pick up the inspiring story, read some articles, go and hear some audiobook. I normally do that the moment I feel like oh my god, look at her dress, why I don't have it. So immediately I'll pick up one audiobook from the YouTube which is giving motivation and putting me that particular comparison thought into one box, and I'm sealing that box, I'm throwing that cake somewhere into sea, and listening that and trying to implement that certain strategies from that audiobook, that particular book, and trying to understand ki how it is going to help me. So remember, your success stories always will inspire you rather than bringing you back into the comparison. So don't compare your kids also with anyone, and don't compare yourself also with anyone, because you have your own identity, and that identity you have to showcase to world, and everybody has a different essence. Now, the next important point, skill development. You have to invest on the skill development. I mentioned in many videos like आप ये सोच के चल रहे हो कि my graduation, my MBA certificate will help me to find the opportunity anytime. So आप ये गलत सोच रहे हो, because everybody has to update their skills. People go for the PMP, people go for the communication skill, listening skill, then they go for the Six Sigma, lot of negotiation skill. So many skills are available which is required to get one particular job. According to the job, certain skill sets are required. So understand कि आप में किस चीज़ की कमी है, आपको कहाँ पे इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करना है. People don't understand कि मुझे कहाँ पे इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करना है. So you can speak with your friends who are like a well wisher for you. Okay, who family also you can speak कि आपको क्या लग रहा है कि if I'm applying for this job, do I have this skill set, because we are closely staying and you know me very well. So the people who are well wisher in your life, they can give you the genuine and the right feedback, and you can start working on those skill set. उससे क्या होगा, योर कॉन्फिडेंस ऑल्सो बूस्ट, एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऑल्सो, इन केस आपके जेब के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, लाइक यू कैन नॉट इन्वेस्ट इमीजिएटली. देर आर अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स, यूट्यूब इज देयर, लिंक्डइन लर्निंग इज देयर, देन कोएसेरा इज देयर, which are the free platforms. From there you can gain the knowledge and upgrade yourself. Next point is the consistency. बिल्ड द रूटीन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप कंसिस्टेंस नहीं हो, कंसिस्टेंसी आप किसी प्रोसेस में नहीं दिखा रहे हो, देन मुश्किल होता है वो सिस्टम में लाना, वो सिस्टम लेना. So dedicate your 2-3 daily activities in the morning, like if you get up in the morning, write affirmation, listen your own voice recorded affirmations, then the right goals, आपको दिन भर में क्या करना है. And as I mentioned, like you add in previous video, I mentioned like you add when you're writing 3 essential activity tasks you want to do, add something which you wanted to do it for your career related also. So team, job hunting tasks, networking, or learning new skills, this is all like a will help you to motivate yourself every time. So consistency is the mantra for this to build your routine. Next is the practice gratitudes. हम भूल जाते हैं the people who have affected, so many people we meet every day. Okay, और घर पे भी लोग जो होते हैं family members, we forget to show gratitude because they are some other way they are influencing, contributing in our life. So put a habit, if you can't say thank you, you can always write in the diary, whichever person, whoever is there, you can be grateful, and that person has added some value in your life. So very important, practice gratitude to overcome your negativity. The moment you say thank you to person, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका गुस्सा, आपकी नाराज़गी किसी के लिए है, किसी के बारे में हो रही है, you will forget that and you will be thankful to God for giving this such a wonderful life, and show your gratitude to people who are impacting your life. Now, after the gratitude, very important point is a visualization. आप सपोज अपने आप को विजुअलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि यू हैव लैंड अप इनटू गुड जॉब, एंड द विजुअलाइजेशन आल्सो स्टार्ट विद द स्टार्ट टू एंड. So that is important, because unless and until you will not visualize आपको क्या चाहिए, आप कैसे पाओगे. सो सिंपल विजुअलाइजेशन ऑल्सो क्रिएट अ पावरफुल मेंटल शिफ्ट कि आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो अपने आप को कि आप एक जिस ड्रीम कंपनी में आप जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो, यू आर सिटिंग देयर, यू आर विजुअलाइजिंग, यू आर डूइंग अ टास्क फॉर दैट, एंड दैट विल गिव यू द मोटिवेशन, and you will feel proactive also to take the action. So visualization is your success, and that is the last point I wanted to talk about. So the guilt what you have, that is, some people say it's enemy, but by following these certain tips it can convert into your good friend also. So never consider it's an enemy, because self awareness is very important. Then finding a root cause is also important. So push yourself to understand what you need out of these tips, on which area you wanted to work, because transformation start with the small steps, and that small steps, small wins only will take you to reach you at your goal. So you're already on the right path. You just need to watch this video again, like a which tips you have to pick up. Now it's your turn. If you are following, or you have any new strategy, I wanted to hear, I wanted to know from your side, you can write in the comment section. I would love to implement that particular activity also, how you are removing your guilt from your mind, and converting that guilt into the confidence. So guys, if you're liking such kind of a videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like also, share also, because there are a lot of women in this world, they feel guilty for various things, but by following simple steps they can convert that guilt into the, they can empower themselves and convert that guilt into the self awareness, and so many wonders they can do it. So stay with me until the next video I come on the similar kind of a topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. As I said, like, a woman are having a lot of power, and to bring that power you have to work on yourself. So keep working on yourself, remove the guilt and the understand your power, and I'll see you in the next video.